Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. We're going to look at this HD tire repair kit. It's an 86 piece kit, and a tire repair kit I believe is something that everybody should carry with them when they're out and about, especially for myself. I got my trailer, it doesn't have a spare, it's the same bolt pattern as a TJ. I got to figure out that situation yet, so I got this tire repair kit for the time being. Let's get it out of the box, have a look. The package out of the box is super bright green, and who doesn't like that? Let's open this bad boy up. Some things, of course, have fallen out of place. Let's get them all in their respected locations. This is what we got in the kit. Some of the things that are very important are some sort of needle nose pliers. You need something like that to pull out the nail or whatever. You need a knife to cut the plug. You got some Allen keys for the tools. You got a valve stem remover. Get some spare valve stems in the kit. You got some caps, and these are your tools themselves. And also comes with a lubricant, which is super handy. We got some stickers here we're gonna stick on, and lots of tire patches or plugs right here. And something like this is definitely a great kit to have out and about. There's a lot of kits you can buy that have cheap handles, and those are going to come back to haunt you in the end, because you need something that's going to be rigid and tough, otherwise you're just going to end up breaking it off, and that sucks. And that's where it's nice that you get a spare poker right there, because sometimes they do end up breaking, but the lubricant does help out a lot. This kit will fix the majority of the issues you're going to have on the road, probably up to 90% of them. It's got everything you need. Valve stem repair kit, you got spare valve stems, you got caps, we got the knife, needle nose pliers, tire pressure gauge. You don't have an air pump, but so the kit's not even going to help you out there, so hopefully you carry an air pump. But this feels good. There's where the other two went. I thought they were missing. There we go. This right here is nice, so you're not going to bottom it right out. There you go, and I got that fancy sticker there. I'm going to stick in my toolbox on my trailer. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love this color green. This is going to be a great kit. That was the best one to put in. It has the Jeep, and I just keep this kit stored in the toolbox. So if you guys have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.